Welcome to MegahardwareTT, Wholesale Shopping Online. To register online is simple. Simply click on Apply for Account, fill in your information, name, email address, password, phone number, WhatsApp number, company name, your VAT registration number, and click on Submit.
Yes!
We will approve your application once you submit, and after that you just log in back into the Wholesale Online Shopping Mega Hardware TT by clicking on My Account. And once you click on My Account, you put in your login information, your username, email address, and your password, and click on Login. Once you log in, you'll be able to go through all the different prices and so on, and you will be able to see the wholesale prices for the items. Click on Add to Cart, Checkout, and you're ready to go.